buagra kaisa kok kesar mani tongo tini kaisa bo north east ni joto state dongo thanchang nani bagi kobok mani tongo bo tini bini facebook saka all the 6 scheduled district council joto 6 scheduled bisingo tongnai je district council tongmani should meet together norok thanchak khainai ulai and jointly ask katha lainai ko sungai the government of India no to implement the 125 amendment 125 amendment khai direct fund khai ni bagi nai north east ni joto 6 scheduled edisi manjak rok borok thancha khai nai government of India ni thaniwo 125 amendment bill khai ni bagi nai dabi khlaimano provision for direct funding and anti-defection law will make our council more independent sini je TTADC hai kabangma 6 schedule ni manner dungo tebo sadin khlaina bagai ti prasarok ni naikol jak ba abai je hani bosarok ni naikol jak khaina bagai obno kintu dabi khaina ni nango ni bosaka hoping that we can create a consultative advisory group committee to give suggestion for cultural legal political constitutional provision to strengthen the right of our people we must stand firm so jini je man thai rokno taibo krak সংবিধান ni man thai rokno taibo krak khainai ko krak khaini bagai jemon jini political legal cultural obrongno taibo krak khaini bagai nai chung malai kok sai nango tai je joto society ni non sijak nukjak intellectual borongoti kaisa committee khawai a samungno chung thancha khainai khaileke sini man thayo sung man lainai hini bo north east ni joto nukna side rokno no bo kok kachar kha tekle jaga sika got an update from home ministry home ministry bukhate kaisa update man kha that there will be a follow up with all parties for the roadmap and implementation of the Tiprasa Accord. Tiprasa Accord no tabuk sanamani bagai home minister ni bukhate kaisa ko joto party rogno no thancha khainai roadmap khainani bagai kok sajaka tai implement o the Tiprasa Accord buagra solution accord khamini abo khaini bagai nai kok sajaka I am keen to involve civil society groups our traditional council student intellectual and listen to their suggestion and advice hingga kai job tonino je saklai mung ba kok biti kachar mung oborno chung jotono khara nangnai sanamai nangnai omaken saka bharat sarkar obno tabuk accord no khaini ni phasing no borni bukhate sahor jakmani kok no saikhanarka bubagra ang kok slaimani wo sarai sarai na phangmano ngorok nai tongnai ro ang to pori khanarka english bai amo taisa ang khatani wo lukurok bujigra ko hni kenor kisa comment so sajani thong